So here I am back in London City, spent a day at a charity seminar, and I just felt all day long like I was just under the spirit of a sort of a imposter syndrome. For those of you who haven't heard of the word imposter or imposter syndrome, it's really just about feeling out, feeling like a misfit, feeling like you don't belong, feeling like you're not qualified. What is that all about? The Bible is absolutely covered in scriptures, especially in the New Testament, about our identity in Christ. And here I am after 13 years of ministry, 14-year walk, 15-year walk with God, and I'm feeling like an imposter. What's my message to you today? If you're feeling like an imposter like I am, you're in good company. It's one of the most common things that can happen to Christians, and we need to fight it. We need to seek our identity in Christ and realize that we are sitting in higher places, that we are from another kingdom, that we are mere sojourners here, and that our identity rests firmly in Christ. Where does your identity lie? In your career, your achievements, your salary, your status, your fancy car, your home, or in Christ?